Hey, I don't need nobody to tell me what to do. I mean, this is pretty simple, straightforward. You know, you put the bushings in. Hell yeah. This is pretty cool. This one goes here. Hell yeah. But now, boys, the moment we have been waiting for. Oh, we got some Castrol Edge oil there. Not a sponsor. So I'm gonna wait. There we go. Start by putting some main bearings in here. Yeah. Hell yeah. I am doing good. There we go. Uh-huh. Oh. What the hell? No. There we go. You see? So all the main bearings and caps, right. I think I'm going to go with the crankshaft now. What? There we go. Fits like a glove. Okay, and now, you know, you see this? Are you seeing this, boys?